Technique tutorial. I teach 3 techniques in a row. I teach my wrist strike upwards or wrist block upwards, and I usually only go as high as the ear. And then I go down. I'm hitting with this little bone here called the pisiform bone. Obviously, I can't demonstrate these against the makiwara right now, but then I'll follow this one up with a jab forward with my thumb, like you're going for the eye or the neck. So I go up, thumb in contact with the middle finger, down, jab, up, down, jab. Switch hands. Up, down, jab, up, down, jab. Now, you can hit hard enough to do a lot of damage to somebody's eye with your thumb. Yes, there's a joint there, but you're not striking in a way that that joint is really going to break if you're not hitting a brick wall or something. Up, down, 1. Up, down, 2. And this could be used as a block. That could be used as a block. It could also be used as strikes. Strikes aiming for maybe the chin, or if you have some doubled over and you go up for the head, take them over, pop, right there in the nose. And then the other one is going down for the collarbone. You can hit other places too. You can, with that pisiform bone. But as the drill goes, you're hitting for the collarbone here. But you can still hit with the pisiform bone straight into someone's face or something like that. Perfectly fine to do.